پاکستان میں عالمی موسمیاتی تبدیلیوں کے اثرات کی وجہ سے آفات کا بہت زیادہ خطرہ ہے۔ مانسون کے دوران پاکستان بھر میں معمول سے زیادہ بارش متوقع ہے۔ چیئرمین نیشنل ڈیزاسٹر مینجمنٹ اتھارٹی کا مانسون کی صورتحال پر پیغام، کہا شمالی علاقوں میں شدید گرمی اور بارش کی وجہ سے گلیشیئر، دریاؤں، ندی نالوں میں ممکنہ سیلاب کا باعث بن سکتے ہیں۔
But the monsoon 2025 has set in Pakistan, and I, on behalf of the National Disaster Management Authority, on the instructions of Prime Minister of Pakistan, would like to share the essential details about the current monsoon and its impact on Pakistan. We understand that since climate change is impacting all developing and developed countries alike, but Pakistan stands alone because it stands as most vulnerable countries which are impacted by climate change and disasters. Today, its ranking is amongst first top 5 countries of the world which are impacted by these calamities. This has triggered multiple global disasters which have local effects in Pakistan. In Pakistan, being the traditional hotspots for tourism attraction during the monsoon seasons, we anticipate that every year this influx of tourism is going to go to many folds. This would imply that there are provided resources which are adequately stocked and prepared well in advance.